We can't eliminate it. If you have something you're very excited about and want to achieve in one hand, you'll also consume it when you achieve it. The traditional version of this narrative culminates with love and togetherness, which are widely recognized as integral elements in all cultures and societies around the world. The longing kills love, finishes it, eliminates it, they say, which is what a person wants to achieve the most in their worldly life and believes it will never run out. Most of them think it is infinite. They engrave it on their body. They do things to it, you know. They think this excitement between us will never disappear. But none of them are like that. Both the history we have accumulated since ancient times and today are like this, and so will be the future. Hence, observing depletion, realizing you're in a depleted environment, this teaches us what the environment wants to teach us. You are in a depleted environment, whatever you achieve will be depleted. This is a depleted environment. You are excited about an inexhaustible environment. The ballpoint pen, which you fill with ink that you like very much, then the ballpoint pen comes out. Does it never run out? It is depleting, but it is not depleting constantly. We desire the boundless. We desire a timeless physique. We desire an everlasting pleasure, or, when it reaches its conclusion, allow it to be linked to a new one that is more thrilling. Allow it to consistently transport us from exhilaration to exhilaration. Allow it to not come to an end. Allow it to not conclude.